Hello everyone. During this time of pandemic due to COVID-19, I would like to present to you a product that is effective, convenient, and reliable tool that can detect one of the earliest signs of this disease. I am Erwin Reyes, Application Engineer of Access Frontier and a Level 1 Thermographer. In response to the alarming coronavirus pandemic worldwide, GuideSenseSmart launched a non-contact thermal imaging intelligent temperature measurement system solution. Through the combination of surface temperature measurement and real-time thermal images, the body surface temperature can be detected, which can be quickly and safely screened if the temperature is abnormal. Take measures quickly from multiple people to prevent the fever from flowing. Why is fever detection important? The importance of detecting potential victims of infectious or contagious diseases cannot be overemphasized. Screening passengers arriving or leaving countries where such a problem is known to exist and checking them for simple fevers need a quick and effective system such as that provided by GuideSenseSmart, who is leading the way in thermal imaging. Guide Infrared contributes to coronavirus control. Guide IR236 Infrared Fever Warning System is the most accurate method of mass fever screening by identifying individuals who may be infected. Thermal screening can help prevent the spread of contagious diseases such as influenza, H1N1, avian flu, SARS, MERS, Ebola, and Guide IR236 is our first defense system against COVID-19. Fever Warning System is the ideal equipment for epidemic prevention in crowded public places such as airports, stations, hospitals, schools, factories, office buildings, commercial centers, and more. And now we go on to the product features. Guide IR236 is super clear. It has 17 micrometer pixel size, 400 by 300 IR resolution, or 120,000 temperature measurement point, or it is equivalent to 120,000 forehead thermometers. Guide IR236 is more safe temperature screening from 2 to 8 meters away. More safe temperature screening from long-range temperature detection up to 8 meters away. No risk of infection caused by close contact. IR236 is automatically focused on a passenger's face and sounds a warning when a person with a fever is identified. IR236 has face recognition detection function which can recognize even when wearing a mask, and it alarms the person's face with high temperature. It has double view screen, both the thermal and visible light images. With abnormal body temperature, fever warning screening system will automatically emit an alarm. Along with a loud alarm signal, the system will mark temperature anomalies in the picture with a red box, which allows monitoring staff to quickly find the person with a high temperature. At the same time, the system can automatically take pictures serving as an image data backup. IR236 camera is incorporated an AI face detection algorithm which detects only the temperature of faces entering the picture. Hot object held by people does not interfere with the detection, greatly reducing the false alarm rate. Guide IR236 is equipped with the black body real-time temperature calibration. In order to achieve the best and accurate fever screening result over a long period of time, a black body must be introduced in the fever screening setup. Unlike thermal measurement in engineering or industrial purpose, human body measurement for fever detection require less than 0.5 degrees Celsius in order to be useful. The black body can work as a temperature calibrator, and it can absorb all the electromagnetic radiation and no reflection of them. Thus, it can be used for the calibration on the IR camera. And because of the black body, IR236 has higher accuracy of less than or equal to 0.3 degrees Celsius. Guide IR236 is more accurate and reliable. Considering the cost of the temperature screening products, Guide SenseSmart developed a quick installation kit including the camera head, black body, switch, hose wires, PC kit, and the software has been pre-installed. And on-site deployment can be completed within 45 minutes, including the camera installation, black body installation. PC assembly and the quick connection of the data line. And the interface setup. The system can be launched within about 20 minutes when following the step-by-step procedures. Take a look on this video. Guide takes the battle against COVID-19. That's all for our Guide IR236. I hope you find this video helpful. Stay safe everyone. Again, this is Erwin Reyes of Access Frontier.